Good morning, everyone, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays from all of us here at Marathon Mondays and Marathon Coach. And today we're going to talk about the marathon calendar, and today's episode on Christmas Day is going to be a behind-the-scenes look at what it takes for our marketing team to put together such amazing photos as you see right here in the calendar. This is the December 2022 Christmas month. And there was a lot of work that went into it. So you're going to be able to see that. So enjoy this episode. Enjoy your family. Hope you are having a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas from all of us here at Marathon. So this is something that takes quite a bit of time, not just from a standpoint of taking things out of a box or out of a package and setting them out. It has to be staged properly. It needs to look like a home because that's exactly what it is. It's a 45-foot luxury home. And so what you see here is what are you guys kind of in the middle of staging right now, would you say?
Yes.
So there's a lot of work that takes place here. And one of the things that I'll tell you is some of these Christmas items have been sitting in Pete Sutton's office or marketing manager's office for several months. And I mean 6 months.
Yes.
They've been sitting up in there waiting for this week and waiting for this coach to be selected as the December 2022 calendar Christmas decor. So as John pans around and gets good shots of all of the decor, some of this stuff is just, it takes a lot of time to source it, to find it all, and then you have to have a theme, Sometimes you go with a more country theme, sometimes you go with a more vintage theme. Like, look at this. You got to show you the country guitar. It's a cowboy guitar. This is the Jim Cogley model. For those of you who know Jim Cogley, this is the Jim Cogley signature guitar model. Very, very cool. Let's go back here, John. The water closets, the bath, everything is going to be themed. But one of the cool things is on this over here, it's got this whole Thomas Kincaid-esque Dickens style. I guess it's in the style of Charles Dickens. Village, kind of a friendly village idea. This is very, very cool. Yeah, lots of decor, lots of time, but the calendar is such an important thing and it takes a lot of time. And it's one of the cool things that our marketing does to show our commitment to really decoring these coaches and how much time and effort goes into it. Anyway, everybody, that is what's going on in Coach 1342. It's going to be a beautiful Christmas shoot, and theming it in this fashion will live for many years because marketing will use it not just for the calendar, but as an example, probably hanging on our walls here at the corporate office. Be yourself and do good things. Thanks for hanging out with us this morning. And big thanks to Abigail and Sarah for letting us impede their area as they decorate. It's a lot of work. And thanks for John for chasing me around the paint department this afternoon. This is a pre-recorded episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. So take care, everybody.